How would you like to have 16,000 done-for-you woodworking plans at your fingertips? Most woodworking plans leave you with more questions than answers. Introducing Ted's Woodworking. You get over 16,000 woodworking plans. Everything from small crafts to furniture design. Thousands of outdoor projects. This is going to change the way you look at woodworking forever. You won't find this collection anywhere else. Best of all, you get my love it or shove it guarantee. Keep it for 60 days at no risk. If you don't love it, I'll give you your money back, no questions asked. Everything you can think of, I've got. Just click the link in the description and over 16,000 done-for-you woodworking plans will be yours today. Every plan comes with a bill of materials and cutting list to make cost estimating and shopping easy and hassle-free. You won't find a more complete or easy-to-follow set of woodworking plans anywhere.